Joanna. So we had our first lesson yesterday. Very good. And we have three chords and a couple of little tricks as well. So let's have a look at those, okay? So you have the diagrams of those chords as well and the names of each string as well. So just to go over those, that's E, A, D, G, B, and E again, all right? So first one was E minor. So that is first finger, pointy finger, on the second fret of the A string, fifth string. So that's right here, okay? Now, normally you want to go right up to the fret, okay? You always want to be as close to the fret that you're behind as possible. So not back here, but up here. But for this one, we have to kind of take this back a bit to make room for your middle finger, second finger, going in on the same fret, second fret on the fourth string, okay? So it should sound like this. Now remember, again, you want to use the very tips of your fingers, okay? So you don't want to have them kind of lying down like that. You want to have them standing straight up, okay? Like that. Not like this, like that, all right? So right up to the fret, standing straight up, and get your thumb to the back to give it a really good squeeze, okay? Because you need a good bit of pressure. Okay? Next chord then was A minor 7, okay? So that's one of the little jazzy ones we did, okay? So from E minor, from this position, you want to get your middle finger stays exactly where it is. Then your first finger comes around to the first fret on the second string, okay? So you can go back and forward between those two chords. So and back and forward. So then we did one more. Now we normally only do two, but since you got those two so quick, we did another one. So we're going to go with G major, okay? So this is a bit of an easy way of doing it, okay? So it's just your third finger on the third fret of the first string. And so for this one, remember in the diagram I put two X's over these two strings here. So for this way of doing it, try and leave those out. Just start off on the fourth string. And there's G. Okay, so there's three chords for you. E minor, A minor 7, and G. And those three go together really well, so you can put them all together if you like. There's A minor 7, G, and E minor. Alright, so the other little tricks we did then were slides. So these are kind of tricky because you have to really keep the pressure down on them while you're moving up to make sure the notes keep going, okay? So hold it down right up to the fret, pick it, and see if you can drag it up. And you can take that anywhere. And then the other one was a pull off. So again, we can start on the same spot, hold it down, and instead of lifting your finger up off it, what you can do is drag it off. So see that? So instead of lifting it, I'm dragging the finger off. So I'm using my finger as a pleck almost. So, and again, you can do that anywhere at all. So you use both of them at the same time as well. Slide and pull off. So plenty of messing around with it and see what you come up with, okay? So that's a big thing. Practice the chords and just mess about and see what happens. All right, see you next week.